Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact range that needs the border. Precision matters. Once done, inspect for merged cells or hidden rows because borders behave differently there. Next, open the Home tab and click the Borders menu, or press Ctrl+1 to open Format cells for fine control. You do this so Excel applies styles predictably. Otherwise, borders can skip cells or overlap. Make sure grid lines are visible to compare results as you proceed. Now choose the line style, color, and weight that match your needs. Thicker lines emphasize sections while lighter lines reduce clutter. Use preset options for quick results or switch to custom in format cells to draw specific borders. Outline, inside, diagonal. If you need consistent formatting, apply to the entire table or use Format Painter to copy borders. You do this because different methods affect printing and filtering. Make sure to check Print Preview to finish by reviewing Print Preview and viewing the sheet at 100% zoom to verify border alignment. If borders disappear, check for conditional formatting or table styles that override manual borders and remove or adjust them. When issues persist, clear formats on a small sample and redraw borders. This isolates conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip. If borders render fine on screen but not when printed, change the printer driver or export to PDF to confirm whether it's a render.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.